0.12, 12, 12, 12, walang katapusang 12 yan. Expressed in fraction is blank. So, solve natin ng dalawang ways. So, unahin natin yung shortcut. Basta repeating tayo na dalawahan lang. Ibig sabihin yan, equal yan sa 12/99. Dalawa, kaya dalawa yung 9 sa denominator. So, i-lowest term natin, 12/99, pwedeng i-divide both by 3. So, divide both by 3, therefore 12 divided by 3 is 4, 99 divided by 3 is 33. So, the correct answer is letter C, 4/33. Or ito yung long method, ilet natin ang x ay equal sa 0.12, 12, 12, and so on. I-multiply natin sa 100, itong equation natin. So, we have 100x is equal to, pag minultiply sa 100, move lang ng dalawa. So, we have 12.12, 12, 12, and so on. And then, isubtract natin 100x minus x, that is 99x equals, subtract natin ito, so maka-cancel out lang yung decimal natin, we have 12. Then divide both sides by 99, therefore we will get the same answer of 12/99 reduced to lowest term 4/33, letter C. Follow for more.